First you need to download the Sweating LUT pack, and you can download this pack under the description. Inside this pack you will get 4 cube files. Now let's see how to use them inside the Premiere Pro. First import your video. Then add your footage to the timeline. Open window, then click the Lumetri color. And click basic correction. Then input LUT. Now browse your color. It's original footage. This is the color footage. It's really cool. If you enjoy the Sweating LUT pack, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Technical Figure channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.